Hello, my name is Dr. Jara and I work at Bali Medical Weight Loss. Currently, I provide bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. So, what is bioidentical hormone replacement therapy? It is a natural alternative way to increase our hormones in the body that's been depleted if you go through either menopause or you have andropause for guys. What we have here is bioidentical and is made out of plant-based, which is yam, instead of the other products that has synthetic material. So some of the common symptoms that are being treated for bioidentical hormone replacement therapy is hot flash and night sweat. That is really primary for women. And they can have issue with vaginal dryness. They can have issue with low libido, brain fog, bladder issues, decreased muscle mass, and definitely decreased sex drive. Those are primary for women. And also sleep is another issue that they do have issues as well. For guys, they can feel decrease in muscle strength, decrease in energy, lack of libido, but also they can have decrease in morning erection as well. So we provide these therapies to help enhance those uh, concerns. Now, there is a simple lab work that you can do here, and that would help us determine um, the next step, which is to make sure we know your hormonal values before we start the therapy. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your time. Give us a call. We'll be able to help you. Thank you.